Hi everyone. Today let us see some of the main important questions, the MCQ question from the book Hornbill, the chapter number 3, Discovering Tut, the saga continues. Okay, so let us see the questions wise and the options. The first question is that who was Tutankhamun? Okay, the option A geologist, B a scientist, and the C an Egyptian king, and D a historian. So how we are going to answer that? I think you can have the answers, right? So your answer is C, that I think, right? So your answer is C, that this is important. Now let us see some of the important questions once again. Here in the question number 2, that when did Tut die? When he was teenager, when he was old, when he was in the middle age, when he was child. So your answer is definitely the option A, when he was a teenager. And the question number 3, let us see that question number 3, the who discovered the storm and when? Okay, so the question number 3, the options: Adam Scooper in 1901, B Howard Carter in 1922, Howard Carter in 1930, the Sam Shaw in 1890. So the right option is B, Howard Carter in 1922. Okay, and the next question number 4, let us see that question number 4 is, after being buried for years, Tut's body was taken for CT scan. So your answer, the options are here: after a year, after 80 years, after 50 years, after 30 years. That your answer is after 80 years, the B option. And now the fifth question is that for almost so many years did the Amenhotep III rule Egypt? So this should be A, how many years? Okay, so question number 5. Here your options: 5 years, B option B 20 years, 10 years, and 40 years. So this your answer is D, that 40 years. Now question number 6, that who promoted the worship of Atlantis? Sandiks. Okay, Tutankhamun, the Amenhotep III, the Amenhotep IV, none of above. So this question number 6 answer is C, the Amenhotep IV. And next question number 7, what name did Amenhotep IV change to? Okay, Amarna, Atu, Akhenaten, Amenhotep III. So your answer is definitely C, the Akhenaten is the answer. Then question number 8, for how many years did Tutankhamun rule Egypt? 9, 11, 2, 5. Okay, so your answer is 9. And question number 9, what was found in Tutankhamun's body? Okay, your options are diamonds, jewelry, sugars, fruit, vegetables, snakes, as nothing as much, and gold, the wealth, the bronze, razors, games, clothes, cases of food and wine. So your answer, the question number 9 is D. Okay, these things were found. And now again the question number 10 is that how would you describe a touchstone? Okay, how we are going to describe that? Had the inscription on walls made of bricks with the designer marble on walls, and the made of marble had inlay work on walls. The rock got 26 feet underground, which had 2 walls spanning. So your answer is D here. Okay, and now let's see the question number 11. What was in the first coffin? Okay, in the first coffin, garlands of willows and olive leaves, lotus petal, and the crown flowers. The flowers and silver coins, gold, wine, the bronze arrow, and gem, clothes, cases of the food and wine, and it was empty. So your answer is A. Okay, 11th. And question number 12. Why did the third coffin put Carter in trouble? Okay, question number 8. It was empty. Its recent use had hardened. The mattress found inside was already looted. None of above. Your answer of the question number 12 is B. Okay, B. The recent use had hardened. That is the trouble. Okay, and then question number 13. How did Carter remove the recent? Okay, question number 13. With the help of chisels and hammer, with the help of chemicals, with the help of machinery, with the help of the manpower. So your option of the question your answer of the question number 13 is A. And then let's move to question number 14. Okay. Question number 14. That how did Carter cut the body of Tut? The first had, then every joint was separated. The first leg and then head. First legs, head, then the limbs, head only, hand only. So the question answer of the question number 4 is A. A option is the right answer. Okay, and question number 5. The next, that what did Carter and his men do after cutting down his body? Okay, they sent it for X-ray. They examined them carefully and see. They placed it on layer of sand in a wooden box. They click photographs. The question number 15, your answer is C. They place it on a layer of sand in a wooden box. Question number 16. When was the mummy examined in X-ray by the anatomy professor? Your option in 1945, 1986, 1968, never. So your answer is C, in 1968. And question number 17, let's see. What facts were revealed when the mummy was X-rayed in 1968? Okay, his cerebral deformations were missing, his hip bone was missing, his breastbone and front ribs were missing, his feet bone was missing. So your question number 7 and then the right answer is C. His breastbone and front ribs were missing. And question number 18. When was Tut's body taken for? This is not far. Okay, for other CT scan and in 24th century. January 5, 2005, okay, and January 10, 2007, January 9, 2001, and February June 9, 2001, and option D February 12, 2009. So your right answer is that January 5, 2005 is the right answer. And then another is that the question number 19, what does CT scan stand for? Okay, and that is very easy. Okay, but it can be sometimes with its computed telegram, computed tomography scan, that curve topology and computer technology. Okay, so your answer is B. Okay, you know it. And then question number 20, how did the workman lift the body for scan? Okay, through the steers on a hydraulic trailer, and through sliding, through lift. Okay, so that's your answer is B, on a hydraulic trailer. So these are the main important questions of this chapter, particular chapter. Okay, so you can push and then see those things. Okay, and then you can learn it. I think it will help you to understand the lessons better too. Okay.